What's up, everybody? Hope y'all having a great day. Welcome back to the King Caution YouTube channel. Boom, boom. All right, so yeah, as the title says, we're gonna go ahead and get the G80 sounding good. We finna go ahead and swap in the downpipes and full exhaust on the G80 today. So what I went on ahead and did is I got the full Valvetronic exhaust system, full titanium exhaust, single mid, and downpipes and everything. Full downpipes, full Valvetronic exhaust system. So anyway, we gonna go ahead and get this thing sounding right. So I'm gonna swap around some cars real quick, and then we're gonna jump right into it. First things first, what we want to do is locate the O2 sensors, which there are 3 in the engine bay. We got 1, 2, and 3. Now in total on your downpipes, there's a total of 4 O2 sensors. The fourth O2 sensor is underneath. So once we get the car up, get the belly pan off, then we'll be able to access the 4th one. But for right now, what we want to do is unclip O2 sensor right here, and right here. Okay, I got the O2 sensors, the 3 that's on the top. I got those disconnected. 1, 2, 3. So this one plugs here, connected like that. This one is connected on this grommet. Slides on there like that. Both of the connections are through here. And then they both of these plugs run through here and then down through these clips. And then all these clips you gotta do is just widen it. It's thin metal, and then take them out. Now, on other videos, I have heard that the best way that you wanna make some space to drop these sensors down is to take this battery cable right here and get this battery cable out of its connector and pull it up, and then that'll give you more space for the head of the wire for the O2 sensors. And then with this one, it's a series of connections here, 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 and then it drops down there. See, it's another connector there. So we're gonna get those taken care of and then drop them all the way down so that it can free up the wires when we pull out the O2 sensors. All right, so now that we up under the car, got the car in the air, we need to take this metal pan off because obviously the downpipes are on the other side of this pan. So we gotta get this out of the way. So basically we're just gonna take out all of these bolts. Take out all these bolts, and I think the pan stretches out this way, so we have to take that off too. But yeah, this is for my non car lift guys. This is at home DIY, do it yourself guys, because you know, most of the videos that you look up on YouTube, they're all at a shop. You know, they're getting it done by somebody. So I'm doing the work myself, and I just want to show that it can be done. So yeah, once you get it in the air, get yourself in a comfortable position, and you can start attacking all of these bolts. They are all 16 mil. All right, so this is the third O2 sensor bracket plug right here, and it pretty much goes up and through here, runs along these clips, boom, and all the way back through here. That's your O2 sensor, boom, all the way through there. All right, so I went on ahead, got this O2 freed up, and it's now dangling. And then I went and took the bolts out of the crossover pipe. I don't know if you can see that because I don't really know what I'm looking at. But anyway, now I took these bolts out. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this crossover pipe out. I also took off these bolts, which this is your down pipe, and that's the rest of the exhaust that's gonna be coming out also. And I'm pretty sure it's a tight fit, so I think I may go ahead and drop the whole exhaust now, and then that'll give me more space to free up these down pipes. All right, halftime. Got the exhaust out. Fully dropped the exhaust, and I can tell you, going with titanium is the way to go because this exhaust is heavy. This exhaust is a lot heavier than titanium is going to be. Really, it wasn't that hard to get to this point, but I definitely know we're going to save some weight going with the titanium Valvetronic exhaust. So from here on, now I just got to still drop the downpipes and put in the aftermarket downs and start putting the Valvetronic in. But also at this point, I'm gonna switch over all the mounts, bushings for the exhaust hangers. We just gotta swap all those over to the new Valvetronic exhaust, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, we're gonna keep going with this. I'll keep y'all posted. All right, downpipes are out. Downpipes out. Let's go. Let's freaking go. So it was extra difficult to get them out. It took me a while to figure it out, but basically once I got the V-band clamp off of the longer downpipe, I was trying to pull it out and it would not fit because the short downpipe is in the way. So I had to just figure out a way to get the bolt loose on the V-band clamp. And once I got that V-band loose, I was able to move both the downpipes and then free the O2 sensor cables that were connected right here. The short downpipe that's right here is connected. The O2 sensor cable is connected right here. Once you free that up, then you can get the short one out. Then the longer downpipe will come out. And yeah, I did that, and you know, it came right out. So let's proceed. All right, checkpoint. We got the downpipes fully installed. Yeah, in there. O2 sensors are routed, all that stuff. So now all we gotta do is finish the exhaust. I'm gonna start hooking that up. And yeah, be done pretty soon. All right, so this is pretty much a side-by-side comparison of the Valvetronic and the stock OEM exhaust for the G80 M3. As you can see, the Valvetronic is a lot less piping as far as, well, just as far as mid pipe goes, it's a lot less. And you're gonna be saving a lot of weight with the Valvetronic system. So just wanted to real quick do a little side-by-side comparison since you don't really see that too much. And now we're gonna pick it apart and get started, start putting it on the car. All right, so we got the full titanium exhaust on here. All right, so I'm at the point right now that I have everything pretty much bolted up, but I wanted to give some advice for my do-it-at-home, do-it-yourself mechanics. When you get to the downpipes, I would suggest that you don't fully tighten the V-band clamps that go from the downpipes up to the turbos. Leave those loose because you have to clock the downpipes at a certain area to hook up to these two flanges together. So for y'all to just really understand, it's hard to get my hands and stuff under here, but all right, so this flange and this flange, downpipe flange, they both have to line up perfectly so the screws can go in. But you won't be able to get the holes to line up perfectly if you tighten the V-band clamp that's on the other side of both of these downpipes. So just wait till you get everything lined up, and then tighten these up first, and then go and tighten up the V-band clamp, which is right there. That's the bolt right there. That's for one of the down pipes, and the other one is, I think, above that or something. I don't know, but I'll have to like move and get it. I think it's too dark. You can't really see it. But anyway, don't tighten the V-band clamp until you get this section in order. And then another advice, if you are new to BMW or you just don't know, but these are the gaskets from the OEM cats, downpipes. Reuse these. It's not a regular gasket like the like, you know, a normal car or older car or whatever. So make sure that you reuse these gaskets. Don't forget these, because it's not included and nobody really says anything about them online. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's the whole system. I just got to tighten and bolting everything down, and we should be straight.